Have you ever wanted to change the color on your drone, or have you been flying it in through these clouds like today, and have you lost it in through those clouds because it has the same color, that grayish white? Well, with Wrap Grade skin wraps, you can actually change the color. As y'all can see right here, I have this bright red one, and y'all can change the color of your drone and your controller, which is a pretty cool thing. Y'all can check them out with the link that's up here or over here or down below in the description, but that link redirects you straight to the product, and y'all can check out the different colors that they have. They have blue, green, yellow, and a whole bunch of other really cool colors, so be sure that y'all check them out. Right now, we're gonna fly the drone so that y'all can see how cool it is to be able to see it differently from the clouds, which is really nice, so you won't lose it. And yeah, let's check it out real quick in the air, and hopefully y'all enjoy. All right, so right now I got y'all in a little bit of a POV because I'm setting up the drone controller and the drone itself so that I can fly it. And as y'all just heard, the home point just got updated on the controller and the drone. So let's just finish setting up these joysticks, and I could show the drone up in the air and see how easy it is to not lose it, which is pretty convenient. Alright, so right now y'all can see that it's just hovering right now as I just took it off, and right now we got some trees in the background, but y'all could perfectly see the drone in the bright red. I kind of want to wrap my drone just so that I can, or wrap the controller so that I can match it with the drone, but let's see, let's fly it a little bit towards the clouds. Alright, I'm not sure if y'all could see that, but the drone is, I want to say, 20 feet in the air, and there is blue skies, and there's also gray clouds behind it and white clouds as well, but I feel like y'all could see the drone pretty easily. It is right there. So yeah, y'all let me know if y'all could see it down below in the comments section. I could see it perfectly fine, which is, I'm guessing, the important part, which I'm the one that's flying it, which is really easy to see. So yeah, I'm gonna fly it a little bit higher so that y'all can hopefully be able to see it. Let's see, right there. The drone is facing that way, and y'all could still see it a little bit. I could still see it perfectly fine, but I'm not sure if y'all could see it anymore. If y'all could see it, let me know down below in the comments section. But yeah, that's the Wrap Grade skin wraps. I have mine in bright red, but like I said, y'all can get yours in different colors. And yeah, there you go. That's the drone hovering right there. It looks really, really cool. One thing I've also done is I've wrapped the batteries, or at least I've marked the batteries with the same wrap. I've just basically cut out little pieces so that I can distinguish them from them being mine, because I've used other people's drone batteries at big events. Whenever I run out of the battery percentage on mine, I use other people's batteries, and it's good to be able to tell which one's mine and which one's theirs. And yeah, that's one thing I also like about Wrap Grades, is that you can distinguish which drone is yours and which batteries are yours. But yeah, there you go. I'm sorry if y'all could hear the buzzing from the drone, but there is the Wrap Grade skin wraps. Y'all can see it in the bright red. I just have it hovering right now in front of me, but looks pretty sweet. I feel like I did a pretty crappy wrap job on it. You can add more stickers. I had a bigger sticker package for it, but I didn't add all the stickers to it. But yeah, that's the Wrap Grade skin wraps. If y'all enjoyed, be sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, and I'll definitely be sure to do more in the future, and I'll see y'all on the next one.